Welcome back. Today we are continuing Olympic value and education. In this video, we are going to cover the last two topics, International Olympic Committee and Indian Olympic Association. International Olympic Committee. The headquarters of Olympic Committee is situated at Lausanne, Switzerland. It was formed on 23rd June by 1894 by pair. This committee is comprised of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. Its first president was a Greek name named Dermatis Vikelis. This committee once every 4 years holds summer and winter modern Olympics. This committee organized the first Summer Olympics 1896 in the Greek city Athens, and the first Winter Olympic was organized in 1924 in Chamonix, France. Till 1992 Summer Games to help space the planning of the two events 2 years apart from each other. The first Summer Youth Olympic Games were organized in 2010 in Singapore, whereas the first Youth Winter Olympics were organized in 2012 in Innsbruck city in Austria. Governing Council. In International Olympic Committee, there are members of different countries. In present, there are 15 members which constitute 1 president, 4 vice president and 10 executive board members. They are as follows. President. The president of International Olympic Committee is chosen by the members of his committee. The president term is for 8 years. After the expiry of his term, his period can be extended once only for 4 years. Second, Vice President. International Olympic Committee has 4 vice presidents. They too are chosen by member of IOC. Their term is for 4 years. After the expiry of their term they can be chosen again if the member desires so. Executive Board is chosen by members of different countries in a secret ballot. The Executive Board of International Olympic Committee is held responsible for administration of International Olympic Committee and the management of its affair. Functions of IOC. The venue where the Olympic Games will be organized is decided by this committee. To elect the new members, proper functioning of sports program and selection of host city, the promotion of sports or games, fight against doping, making rules and regulation for the smooth functioning of the games, to encourage different organization for the support of by social and economical way to the players. It encourages and supports the promotion of ethics in sports as well as education of youth through sports. To motivate the culture and education combined along with sports, fight against political or commercial abuse of sports and athletes, encouraging and supporting promotion of women in sports at all levels, acting against any form of discrimination affecting the Olympic movement, to motivate development of sports, taking action in order to strengthen the unity and to protect independence of the Olympic movement. Indian Olympic Association was founded in 1927. Sir Dorabji Tata and Dr. Noren became the founder president and secretary general respectively. Sir Dorabji Tata was also the first member of IOC. Its members are chosen once every 4 years. This committee is comprised of a president, 9 vice presidents, 6 secretaries, 1 honorary treasurer. Apart from this, 12 representatives of National Sports Committee and the representative of State Olympic Committee are also included. After some time, Sir Dorabji Tata resigns from his post. After that, Shri Bhupender Singh, Maharaja of Patiala, became the president. India participated for the first time in 1928 Amsterdam Olympic and won gold in hockey. From that time onwards, IOA is working continuously for Olympic movement. IOA responsible for participation in Olympic Games and some other games such as Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and etc. All sports federation work to help IOA. Objective of IOA are development and promotion of Olympic movement, enforcement of all rules and regulation of the International Olympic Committee and IOA, to be the official organization in complete form and whole charge of the matter related to Olympic event, promotion and encouragement of physical, moral and cultural education of the young people of the nation so that the character can be developed, admitting the membership of State Olympic Association and National Sports Federation, for which submission of their annual reports and audit statement of account are necessary. These documents should be deposited to the IOA for information, to be a government organization and control the related matter, to undertake with assistance of National Sports Federation and financial management, transportation, maintenance and welfare of team from India taking part in Olympic Games and other games which are organized under the patronage of IOC, to suggest the name of selected participate in Olympic game, to take disciplinary action against any federation for misbehavior or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the country. In cooperation with the National Sports Federation, IOA organizes the controlled selection, training, coaching of teams that will represent India, to enforce and defend the exclusive rights of the association to use the Olympic flag and Olympic insignia, to organize national and international competition, to remove the discrimination of caste, religion, color and area, etc., and lastly to apply the code of conduct of World Anti-Doping Agency. Functions of Indian Olympic Association: to promote Olympic movement, to organize the game at national and international level, to give names and to support the players to participate at international level, to synchronize between different federation and Indian government, to make a healthy relationship amongst the different state federation, state Olympic association and national federation and association.